safe in the arms of a...
You see, here's the thing about edibles and airplanes. I took them 1 hour before takeoff. No, they were peaking right as we were headed for the runway. Want to know what it's like to be on edibles while shooting down a runway at 400 miles an hour? I stared out the window for 2 hours straight, and then lights out. A week later, I went to put my luggage away, and on the bag it said Midway, Chicago. Ladies and gentlemen, I went to fucking Chicago and didn't even remember it.